Jennifer with the Perfect10 Mobile Mixology Service in collaboration with Black Detroit Magazine, and I'm here to show you why life is too short to drink bad cocktails. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a cocktail that I like to call the staycation, and you'll actually see why once we garnish it all up. But we're going to be using our favorite Uncle Nearest whiskey. I'm going to be using the 1884, so let's get started. So what you're going to do, you're going to take first 2 ounces of the Uncle Nearest 1884 small batch whiskey, and we're going to add it to our mixing glass. Next, we're going to take some orgeat, which is an almond syrup, and it's a little thicker, so we're only going to use about 3/4 of an ounce. And now, guys, this is the only syrup that I would say to ever buy from the store. Generally, I'm telling you to make it yourself because you have the ingredients at your own home, but we're not about to strain almonds all day to make almond syrup, okay? So next, we're gonna go ahead and take our pineapple juice. So I'm using 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and then I'm going to use 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, and I'm just gonna add that right on into the mixing glass. Last but not least, we're gonna add some Peychaud bitters. We're gonna do about 2 dashes. This is going to add some nice color to our cocktail and give it some complexity as well. So we're gonna take our ice and we're gonna add it right on into our mixing glass. And we're gonna give it a good shake for about 20 seconds. You wanna make sure that it gets nice and cold, mix all of those ingredients up, get that syrup nicely loosened into the cocktail. All right, this is gonna be good. And it's gonna make us feel like we're on vacation. Okay, so we're gonna take a glass. Now, I would recommend using either a tall highball glass or a Collins glass, just because we have quite a few ingredients in here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add this all in nicely like so. And we're gonna strain this right into our glass. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Okay, now, remember I said we're on a staycation, right? Because we really can't go anywhere right now. So we're gonna garnish this all up. So I'm gonna add a little orchid here, and I'm gonna take a nice lemon wedge and put it right on in. And last but not least, I have some pineapple leaves, and I'm gonna set it right there. And there you have it. Relax. The cocktails are on us. Cheers.